Today I am making a strawberry honey butter. Imagine this slathered on top of your sourdough English muffins as you pull them from the oven. Heavenly, I'm sure. It's really simple to make, 7 simple ingredients. The only thing is that I'm going to be making them from frozen strawberries that I have in my freezer. Now they are on their last legs. They're looking a little sorry, but I'm not going to waste them, and this is what I'm going to use. I'm just going to thaw these out first so they'll get rid of most of the liquid. So let's do that and we'll dive in. The first thing we need to do is to puree our strawberries. We need 3 pounds of strawberries. I'm not sure how much I have. I had 4 pounds when they were frozen, but there was a lot of ice in there. So I just want to make sure that I'm close. The first thing we need to do is to puree the strawberries. So I put them in my food processor or I put them in my blender, and now I'm going to puree them. I definitely don't have 3 pounds of strawberries, so we're going to make it work. We are going to add all of our ingredients into a pot. 3 pounds of strawberries. They look beautiful, even if they were frozen. 3/4 of a cup of sugar. 3/4 of a cup of honey. 2 teaspoons of vanilla. 1 tablespoon of bottled lemon juice. You're always using bottled lemon juice when you're canning. And 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And did I tell you this recipe has no pectin? We're going to give this a good stir and bring it over to the stovetop. We have to bring this to a boil on a medium heat and let this simmer for 60 to 90 minutes. And you're going to want to be stirring this often. You don't want it to stick to the bottom. It's going to become very thick. Remember, we're making a butter. So it's a little hard to tell if it's done. It's supposed to be thick like butter, but it's still running pretty thin. Well, maybe not thin. Off the spoon, if you look. So it looks a little thick. What I'm basing my opinion on is my spoon rest. So I'm just looking at how thick it is here in my spoon rest. So that means when this strawberry honey butter cools, it's going to be fairly thick, and I think that's what it's supposed to be. So I think we need to wash our hands now. Get this butter in the jar. I've got my canner heating up in the back. It's making a little bit of background noise. And now I'm going to pour this into the jars, leaving 1/4 inch headspace. I don't think I'm going to get a lot of jars, maybe 2, 3 if I'm lucky. I didn't have the recommended 3 pounds of strawberries either, so it's to be expected that I'm not going to have as much. But I'll be very happy even with 2 jars. You fill this up to 1/4 inch headspace. We're then going to wash the rims of our jars with just some water, just to make sure that our caps seal properly. This looks so thick and creamy. I don't know if you can see how thick and creamy this looks. I mean, look at this. It looks incredible. Yes, I'll wipe that rim down again, just to be sure. Add the caps to the jars. And then put the rings on fingertip tight. Once we're done all of this, we're going to transfer these over to the canner. So if you've never seen this before, this is my steam canner. I absolutely love it. It's considered water bath canning, but it's not with a big pot full of water. You're having to wait until it comes to a boil, all that water. This has just a little bit of water in the reservoir at the bottom, just maybe like this much water. It boils really fast. It's very efficient and goes really quick. So the cover, it kind of reminds me of pressure canning because it has a dial at the top. And you got to kind of go by your altitude to know when to start timing. So I have to wait till I get to the dark green section on the dial, and that's when I start timing. So it's very simple. It goes really quick. You just pop the cover on, and once it starts boiling, once you get into the section, into the color where it's supposed to be for your altitude, that's when you start timing. This butter will only take about 10 minutes, so it's going to be over really quick. Now that the time is up, we're going to turn off the heat, but we got to let it sit for another 5 minutes. It's part of the processing time, so don't touch it, don't skip any steps. We're almost done, just another 5 minutes. There you have it, 2.5 perfect jars of strawberry honey butter. It's going to be delicious on my sourdough English muffins, I have no doubt. I do hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoy my content. If you do, don't be shy, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and be sure to check back again soon to see what other content I will have coming up.